Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to refer a friend to Uber. So the thing about that is, if it is available to you. Now, I'm going to explain to you why I said that. So once you are in your Uber app, you want to tap on account, right? So under account, if you scroll down under settings, save groups, you're going to see here that you're going to have an option to refer a friend to Uber, right? So as you can see, we don't have that right now. So why is that? It's because referring a friend is kind of like a occasional event that Uber has, which means it's seasonal. It's not permanent. So once, one time you're gonna see it, another time, or for the most part, you won't be seeing anything like that here. And if you want to know if you are viable for that, you might want to check your email that Uber uses to contact you. You know how they like, okay, you want to receive some emails and some promos from us, notifications, so on and so forth. That is pretty much how you're gonna find out if you are valid for, or you're you're able to be part of that event, so to speak. So that is pretty much how you do it. There are no options where I need to do this, and it's pretty random, right? Like what I said, it's just going to be here one time and then not for the most part. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.